this, you're going to have my light is 27 inches long, and so what I need is, and the width of all the, see if you look over here, you can see where my plants and stuff are. See, the light is 27 inches long. Now I've got 3 trays wide, which is 21 inches, which is 27 inches long, 21 inches wide, and I covered it with aluminum foil. Okay, I got that one done. Now from the light up, from the top of the light to the bottom is 9.5 inches. So I cut the backboard. This is the backboard, which is 27 inches long. I cut it 12 inches tall and marked the line at 9.5 inches. Okay, that's where I'll put my aluminum foil. And here's the sides. I've already done them. Now, as you can see, it's at 9.5 inches where the mark was. And they're 21 inches long to 12 inches tall. So and it's wrapped around and glued right there. These ends will be cut off later, but and here's the other one, same way. So what I'm using is to glue it. The aluminum foil is contact cement, rubber cement, whatever you want to call it. I'm just brushing it on. You can get spray adhesive. I would have rather had spray adhesive because it would probably be a lot quicker than what I'm doing here when I'm almost out of this. But I'm just spreading. I'm going around the edges with it first, making sure that it's got a solid connection, because I really don't want no spot that can be ripped or anything like that. So I'm making a solid line all the way around to glue it good to the cardboard. Now, you may ask, hey, well, why aren't you using 1/4 inch plywood or anything like that? If you've got that laying around, that would be wonderful. But I had some cardboard that I was using. I was doing some work on the bottom of my boat, and I just had this cardboard laying around where I was laying it on the ground. And see, in the middle, I'm just taking in spots. I'm not filling it in all the way. I'm just hitting spots here and there to kind of make it stick to the, well, it won't become somewhat loose on there. God, I'm almost out. We're scraping the bottom of the barrel, as the old saying goes. Yeah, we are scraping the bottom of the barrel. Spread it out real good. And this stuff works, honestly, it works really good. Probably a lot of people don't have this stuff laying around, but I bought some here a while back for some reason. I can't remember why. But I've used this stuff off and on several times, and it's kind of nice to have a bottle of it laying around when you don't want something that's, you don't want to mess with no epoxy or anything like that. You don't need that. That's going to be alright. We get our piece of aluminum foil. We take it, bring it to the line, okay, get it to the line, and then you just take your hand, move it, that's one thing about the contact cement, it's forgiving, so you can pull it up real easy and put it right back down. Alright, just spread it, kind of take your hands and kind of spread it, and then we'll flip it over. What we're going to do is take the rubber cement one more time and just take it and spread it on the edge with aluminum foil. Like I said, if you got some spray adhesive, go buy you some. They're about $15, $20 a bottle, I think. A can, a big can. So, but just use what you got. Probably just regular glue would probably work. So, you get that on there and just flip it over, pull it tight, just push it onto the back of it, and that keeps, see what that does is protect the bottom of it from the cardboard getting wet. So it seals that bottom right there and water can't get to it. Now once we get all of it done, we're going to take a pair of scissors. You can try to do it with a razor blade if you want to and take a chance of ripping it. And I'm just going to use some scissors to cut that off. We got that done. Okay, what we're going to do, the next thing is to take some aluminum, I got some Gorilla Tape. This stuff is awesome. Now you don't have to use Gorilla Tape, you can use duct tape, any tape you got, use what you got. Don't go out there to the store and buy something unless you just want to. I don't like spending money, and that's the reason why I do a lot of things on this channel to try to do it as cheap as possible with the least tools as possible, so that I can help folks, you know, try to do a lot of the things that I do. Don't want to put the tape on the wrong end. So, alright, get the tape put on there. Okay, there we go. Alright, now what we're going to do, this process, okay, here's the back of it, here's the side of it. So what we're going to do is put these sides together. Make sure you get it in the right place, because I just ripped it. See? Yep, just ripped it. So make sure you get it lined up right before you stick it up there. Yeah. Oh well. We do make mistakes. Alright. The other side. Let me get the camera turned where you can see what I'm doing. Okay, we're getting this lined up. Good, and then we're turning. Push that tape on there real good. Alrighty. Now, alright. Now, I've got it somewhat set up. So, what we're doing is taking the tape and we're going around this. We are taping this thing so that, alright, so now one thing you're going to need is that when you build this and you start using it, you're going to need some airflow. So you're going to need a little small fan to to accommodate the air and stuff getting in here. Just letting it blow around it. So, alright. We're just putting this tape in here in the corners to make this thing. Alright, there you go. Okay. Let me take this up here a little bit better. Alrighty, there we go. There we go. Alright, as you can see, we have a tent there to sit right over my, you got 27 wide and 21 thick. 27 long and 21 wide. And it is 9.5 inches tall. So there you go. So let me show you what it looks like with it sitting on it. Alright, here we go. This is the setup. This is the tent setup. And as you can see, it is bouncing the light all in there. And you're maximizing a little bit of light to grow a whole lot. So I've got in there, I've got cucumber, I've got okra, I've got spaghetti squash, green beans, white acre peas, butternut squash, and so I'm excited to see what I can do with this. So here, let me zoom in and let you see what's going on here. Alright, buddy, that light, just a little small light, growing light that I have turned into a tent to maximize my growing for my seeds. So this is Craig Hannaford from Ponix Haven and more. Looking forward to bringing you more videos. Please like and share at the bottom, and don't forget to look at some more of my videos. More is coming down the road. So you have a wonderful day. God bless you. Bye.